Hey friends, we are in the kitchen today and we're going to be testing out a knife that you can purchase right here on Amazon. Now this is the Paudin knife and it's meant primarily as a steak knife, but we're going to be using it in a couple of different scenarios to try out how useful it is as, again, a kitchen tool to have around the house.
Okay, so I've got half a cucumber here, I've got an apple, and then I've got a little piece of steak. Now the steak is obviously what the knife is going to be primarily used for. And again, it has a really nice long blade for cutting. As you can see, that just slices through like it's butter. Now again, this is filet mignon, so it's very easy to cut anyway, but this knife just makes things so beautiful. I'm literally barely moving my knife in a downward position. This thing is just cutting incredible. In fact, I would say be very careful when you get this out of the packaging because it does come incredibly sharp, especially on the tip. So next, let's try cutting up this cucumber. And obviously these are pretty easy to cut with normal knives, but let me go ahead and apply just a little bit of pressure here. And boy, that is just such a smooth cutting instrument. Normally what I like to do on cucumbers for salads is I cut it down here in quarters, and even going lengthwise, this knife is just slicing through things super easy. And then we'll just do a little bit of chopping like this and get things all nice and cubed up for our salad. As you can see, again, it just makes quick work of that cucumber. Now finally, we have our apple. And this, again, can be pretty dangerous if you have a blunt knife because you're really having to use a lot of power. Again, potentially slicing into your fingers if you're not careful. And again, with the roundness of an apple, you really have to be careful while you're cutting. Let me go ahead and just try cutting down on the right-hand side here. And again, that just made nice, easy work of the fruit here. And then we can kind of cut it up into slices like this. And again, this thing is just working so nicely compared to the dull kitchen knives we're used to. So again, a really, really great little addition to our kitchen. I think you'll be really, really pleased as well.
So there you go, friends. That's the Paudin steak knife. Again, a nice little tool. Having a sharp knife is so absolutely critical if you really want to have good cutting power here in the kitchen or with your meal. You can find this right here on Amazon. If this has been helpful, hit that thumbs up button. Stay tuned. We actually make a ton of these little DIY test and review videos to check out products on places like Amazon and hopefully make your shopping and your life maybe a little bit easier. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again on the next one.